So for the hymen of women, that's hymen is basically, this thing that is kind of like an entry into the vaginal canal. We're trying to look at the types. Okay, what are the different types of hymen you can have? So you can say hymenal anomalies or types of hymen. Okay, so it just refers to congenital or acquired variations in how the hymen is in structure, how the shape is, how the integrity is. Do you understand? So these anomalies can range from benign anatomical variants to those that are causing a lot of issues to the person. Okay, so they can range from things that no issue to the ones that there's issue. You understand? So for the different types of hymenal anomalies that we have, you can have imperforate hymen, where I'll just be reading the anomalies and the description. You can pause to look at the clinical features, right? So imperforate hymen, the hymen completely covers the vaginal opening. Imperforate, there's no hole, there's no opening. So anything that comes from back is blocked. So when such a person starts menstruating, any menstrual period could just be blocked. You understand? Then we have microperforate hymen. There's a very small openings in the hymen. It's not here, but you can just imagine it. Okay, this is microperforate. It's a very small hole in the hymen. Okay, then Cribriform Hymen, there's multiple small perforations. So there are perforations, but there are so much. This is a Cribriform Hymen. Okay, Septate Hymen, the band of tissue divides the hymenal opening. It's a septate hymen. So there's an opening, but there's something in between the openings. Okay, redundant hymen. Okay, this one is excess hymenal tissue. Redundant. I didn't actually bring the picture, but you can always imagine those things. You can also have the annular hymen. You can have the parous introitus hymen. So many types. Okay, so acquired hymenal changes. You can have a stretched or gaping hymen, maybe due to estrogen exposure and the rest. Hymenal tags or notches. Hymenal scarrings or adhesions. Okay, maybe after infections, injuries, or surgeries, or so. So clinical relevance is used in pediatric and forensic examinations. It's used in adolescents gynecology, to see if there's any issues, why the person is having issues with menstruation. Surgical correction. So surgeries like hymenotomy can be needed, just to correct these different openings or different types of hymens that you have.